Today I'm reacting to Daylight by David Kushner. I've never heard of David Kushner before, never heard one of his songs. Let's go. Piano, minor 5, is that right? Okay, so this is not in a traditional Western key. I think this is between keys. It's like F half sharp major or something like that. So if I play it on the piano or the guitar, it's gonna sound out of tune, but you'll just have to deal with it. This loss is a burden that we both share. I think those are the chords. Souls tied, intertwined by pride and guilt. I like the words. There's darkness in the distance. But I know. I really like the high. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same.